So bringing things full circle, your experiment, you're starting your real estate, you watch a video, it's an infomercial. And to bring it full circle today, if you're listening to this right now, is June 2021. And I did a double take when my team brought, I saw TV and I'm like, TV. Okay, hold on. I thought TV was dead. Tony, what's going on here? You're leveraging TV in 2021 to get deals. I mean, that sounds antique. Help us out here. What is this formula that you're using that's still working?
So your thought is what a lot of people think. So people think when TV, they think it's outdated. They think that it's too expensive. They think that there's this huge production. Like there's all these thoughts on TV. And I think that is why no one really does it. Like there's if you look at your market, chances are there's nobody doing TV, or there might be one. I've only heard of a couple markets that more than one person's doing TV, so that it's completely wide open. If you look at texting, cold calling, postcards, dozens, if not hundreds of investors in any given market are doing the same methods, right? So 9 years ago, I went to a poker game, and it was a friend of a friend, and he invited another friend. And there was like 10 of us there, but the other friend happened to be on TV. And when I saw him, I had the celebrity factor of like, oh man, this guy's on TV, right? And I'm like, oh man, I can't believe I'm playing poker with this guy. It's pretty cool. And so he ended up being a normal guy. We were, shooting the shit. And I asked him, I said, how are your TV commercials doing? And he goes, oh my gosh, you're kidding me. He's like, that's the best thing we've ever done. We're doing like $2 million worth of business just off our TV commercials. This is just a residential construction company, right? And he's like, you know what? Maybe it'd be good for you. Maybe TV would be good for you. Why don't you call my media guy? He can probably help you get on TV. And so this was 2012. And so, me being a guy of action, I called him, and he's like, yeah, we can get you on TV. We can, for probably $3,000, but, we can start with a $3,000 budget and see what, go from there. So long story short, he did the media buying for me. He did the production. I had to give him, my information. I had to write the scripts, that kind of stuff. So I had to do my end of it. And then first month we spent $3,000. We made $35,000 in the first month, and, we're popping deals, from day one. And you ask if TV is dead. Last year we had our best year. We did 11.2 times return on our money on TV. And it was the channel we spent the least time on. I spent 3 hours last year on TV, and that's shooting a couple new commercials because of COVID. I just did, some soft, tough times. We call tough times commercials. We looked at my ad spend a little bit, met with my media guy that I just told you about. Other than that, my team we did deals. I didn't even have to shoot the commercials, honestly, because our ads did pretty well, and we just wanted to freshen it up.